Hello friends, welcome to Crystal Crafts. Staying organized is an important part of our lifestyle. It helps us save a lot of time when we're searching for our important things we need. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this organizer. You can subscribe to my channel and click the bell notification icon to watch more such craft videos. So firstly, we are going to take two boxes. Here I'm going to take an empty cornflakes box and a tissue big box. And we are going to cut the top flaps of the cornflakes box like so. We're going to cut one of the side panel of the cornflakes box as well. So now our box should look something like this. Next, we are going to cut the top panel of the tissue box as well. Now we are going to wrap the cornflakes box with this pretty purple wrapping paper. Now to wrap the inside, I'm going to use this orange colored paper. Now we're going to make sections for our organizer. To do so, we are going to cut two pieces of cardboard which is as wide and as deep as the tissue box. We are then going to fold the pieces into half and then we'll fold it again near the end. Now I'm going to cover the pieces with an orange wrapping paper. Then I'll be wrapping the tissue box with purple wrapping paper. And I'll wrap the inside of the tissue box with orange wrapping paper. Now we are going to take the pieces of cardboard and stick them together to give stability. Next, we're going to apply glue at the bottom of the pieces and stick them inside the tissue box. Our organizer is almost completed. Now we just need to stick the two boxes together with some glue. So our organizer is all ready. You can organize all sorts of stationery, bills, or books in it. So if you like this video, you can click the like button below the video and also subscribe to my channel so that you never miss more such craft videos. And don't forget to click the notification bell to receive notifications of my latest uploads. Thank you for watching.